Hello everybody, here for a quick unboxing of a new meal plan service that I'm trying out. Green Chef. Just got first week's worth of meals in, actually at this moment. 3 different, this is set for essentially family to feed 4. And looks like, we'll go ahead and open up, see what we got. Welcome to Green Chef. And a card for a friend. Hey, got a referral code. We'll see like that. And you'll see different offers. And then you'll have your recipe kits here. Recipe. Your cards. We got roasted fennel cumin shrimp, pork chops with basil pesto, and barbecue beef chili. What are you thinking there, buddy?
I'm thinking that's pretty good, if I do say so myself.
So let's open up these meals. This is interesting because what do I have? 2 boxes. Oh, that looks like they give me two different, if it's, or maybe this is more servings, who knows? I've got 2 different boxes. Here's our pork chops with basil pesto, roasted fennel cumin shrimp. Might be tasty to try today. And ingredients for the barbecue beef chili. Then you have good old ice pack. Underneath those are ground beef, our boneless pork chops. Let's see if I'm missing something else. And this is our shrimp. So we've got our proteins packed in the bottom, other ingredients already in the sack. Alrighty, so for today, we'll go with the roasted fennel cumin shrimp. Be back in a little bit so we can see how that turned out.